I'm going to be teaching you is a simple reel that we teach to all beginners at my old dancing school. So I'm just going to show you quick as a demonstration what it looks like before I start to teach it to you.
Okay.
So it's point, point, hop, back, 2, 3, point, point, hop, back, 2, 3, point, point, hop, back, 2, 3, jump, back, 2, 3, jump, back, 2, 3.
Okay.
And like all Irish dancing choreographies, it repeats the same on the left foot.
Okay.
So it's the exact same choreography, but flipped.
Okay. This is gonna be tricky. Because that's like very simple, but also I'm like,
Welcome to Irish dancing. Mostly when someone teaches you a choreography, they will only teach you the choreography on the right foot. And then they'll just be like,
go flip it.
yeah, learn the left foot yourself.
Oh no.
Back. And like this, and then slide. Good, okay. So how turned out you are at this point isn't as important. You can be like that, just make sure that your heel covers up your toe. This first part is all hopping on the left foot, so I want you to go hop, point, hop, point.
So your back foot flips more that way?
So this is called crossing. So this would be uncrossed, this is crossing. You can put it just in front of your foot, that's easier right now. If this is easier, you can put it in front of your foot.
It's still kind of facing toward the right, but
It's more important for your foot to be turned out than for it to be overcrossed.
Okay.
So right now, try like this, directly in front of your foot. Good, that's good.
Okay.
So I want you to go hop, point, hop, point. Yeah,
Okay.
And like all Irish dancing, this is done on the ball of your foot.
Okay.
So you don't go flat-footed. Hop, point, hop, point. Now I want you to kick your butt with your right foot. Kick, step, 2, 3. Awesome, that's what it is. It's point, hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. So that part is just a shift of weight. Step, 2, 3. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Now you see how your left foot is in front now?
Okay.
Now you do exactly what we just did, but with the left foot in front. So hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3.
Is your left foot still pointing out this way, or is it pointing in this way?
No. So it feels natural to turn your feet in.
Okay.
You want to feel unnatural with your feet turned out.
Hop, point, hop, point.
Remember,
This is tricky.
remember, it's not tap, we're doing Irish dancing.
Yeah.
Tap, Irish dancing. I took an introduction to tap class, I'm allowed to make these statements.
I find the hardest thing is trying to keep my balance.
Yeah, it really is. For now, while we're learning the step, put your hands on your hips, it helps
Okay.
you, helps with balance a bit. Hop, point, hop, point. Try to put your foot directly in front of this foot.
Okay. That'll
So
make it easier.
for now, try to keep your feet just in front of each other,
Okay.
while crossed. Point, hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it.
Really badly, but I did it.
So far, what we've learned is point, hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. Hop, point, kick. For the points, we're not putting weight on the pointed foot.
Okay.
So all the weight is going on the foot that we're landing on. So it's just hop, point. Yeah. You touch your toe to the ground, but you're not putting weight on it, if that makes sense.
Okay.
Foot turn out.
I got this.
Yeah, like that. Point, hop, point. Hop, point. Kick, step, 2, 3. It's hard. It's really
Ooh, my left leg
It's
is
really
burning.
hard to do. It's really hard to do if you haven't done it before.
Oh yeah, especially since my legs are so weak because I haven't done much recently either. That's it.
You're doing.
Except for jump rope.
You're doing great. Don't worry about
Okay.
it.
Okay. Let me just
Yeah, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out.
Get that lactic acid not staying in there. Okay.
Hop, point. You see how you lean
Yeah.
forward a bit? You want the foot to touch the ground, but not necessarily, you don't want to land on it. So if it does help you a little bit, don't touch it to the ground at all.
Okay.
Yeah, kick, step, 2, 3. So. Hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. Exactly, that was it.
There we go.
And every move in this dance is very much on the beat. So it's point, kick, step, 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, step, 2, 3. Kick, step, 2, 3. Kick, step, 2, 3. That's it.
Okay.
Point, kick, step, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Is it front foot first?
No, because so you
Or is
want
it back foot taps
the
first?
foot that you're kicking your seat and then landing on, that's the first step. So this isn't actually what the movement is, but it might help you to visualize it. So try rocking yourself. Kick, step, 2, 3.
Kick, step, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's what it is, kind of.
Okay.
So you're not actually rocking yourself in the choreograph.
In the actual, it would just be like step 2, 3.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Try not to think about in terms of left and right. Try to think of back and front.
Back and front.
So
Back
we're
front, back front.
we're landing on our back foot here. So hop, point, kick, step 2, 3. Awesome. Okay. And now our left foot is in front, so we do the same with the left foot.
Okay.
So hop, point, kick, step 2, 3.
Wait.
Yeah, no, that was it. Point, hop, point, kick, step 2, 3. Yeah. Now one more time with the right foot in front.
We got this. Or I got this rather.
So one more time with the right foot in front. Oh, right foot. So it's right foot, then left foot, then right foot. Hop, point, kick, step 2, 3. Now that our left foot is front, just go kick, step 2, 3. Kick, step 2, 3. Kick, step 2, 3. Kick, step 2. And that's it.
Yay. I definitely need to work on my precision and keeping everything straight, but that's not too bad.
We're just trying to learn the choreography right
Yeah,
now.
once it's
You want to try that all at once?
we can try.
1, 2, ready, go. Hop, point, kick, step 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, step 2. Hop, point, kick, step 2, 3. Kick, step 2, 3. Kick, step 2, 3. Yeah, awesome. Cool. And if you're having trouble keeping your arms straight to your side, like I said, try holding your hips.
Okay.
Make sure you're still pulling back your shoulders. This is the most important part.
Okay.
So if you
I've been
feel
slouching.
so if you feel like you're slouching while putting your hands on your hips, then don't put your hands on your hips.
I just was slouching in general. Just staring at my
No
hands, like,
slouching.
point,
No
good
slouching.
point.
Yeah. Okay. So when you start dancing, don't move your front foot. Just hop. Hop off your left foot. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3.
And
Hop. Then hop, point.
Wait, this should be this way.
That was it. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Hop. Nope. Turn your feet out.
Wait.
Go like this with your hands. There you go. That's turn out.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. Hop, point, hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Kick.
Wait,
Back,
kick,
back 2, 3.
Ah.
Kick, back 2, 3.
Kick,
Back 2,
3.
No, don't turn your feet
No.
in.
So kick. Sorry. Wait,
Let's move forward a bit.
I'm confused with where my feet are.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, I'm a
Back.
mess.
No, it's fine. Back to this.
Okay.
Right foot slides over the left. Good.
Okay.
That's it.
Shoulders back.
Try lifting your foot off the ground even before that we start. So just go 1, 2, ready, go. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Hop, point. No, feet out.
Ah! I think I'm so used to in band, which I used to do for a while. This is our standard foot position, and now I'm just like, it's somewhere in at some point.
And this is like the opposite of what you should be doing.
I know.
If this is your standard band position, this is actually close to what it is.
Okay.
So this, and then this together.
And then what's it? And then the left foot would be this. No.
No.
This is the left
So,
foot.
okay, let's slide right over left and then left over right. So back to this, back to band position.
Band position.
Okay, so right over left,
Okay.
then back to position, then left over right.
Good.
See how your feet don't change, they just change which foot they're in front
Okay.
of.
Oh yeah, it's just which one's in front. Okay,
Yeah.
that's very helpful actually.
That's exactly what it is.
Okay, cool.
You see how you keep trying to change your foot position? Don't try to change it, just keep them where they are.
Okay.
So when you go hop, back 2, 3, just keep it like that.
Okay.
Just keep your feet where they are. Then
Okay.
hop, point, kick, back 2, 3.
This way.
Yeah, let's try it by yourself.
Okay. So 1,
1, 2, ready, go. Hop, point, hop. No, don't lean your weight.
Don't
You're-
lean.
You're not putting your weight on the pointed foot. It's just like,
Okay.
like that.
Okay, we got this. Okay. So ready?
1, 2, ready, go. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3.
Wait, I turned it.
No, you're good.
And
Keep
then,
going. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3, kick, back 2, 3, kick, back 2. Yay, that was close enough.
close enough for one day worth
One
of
day.
experience.
You ready to add some music?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna go put
This
on
will be
the-
like jump rope. I'm gonna like get it. I'm gonna be like hop 1, 2, 3, kick 1, 2, 3.
You're taking so long to edit it.
I'm so sorry.
5,
That is great.
6, 7, 8. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Hop, point, kick, back 2, 3. Kick, back 2, 3. Kick, back 2, 3. Yay! back, the step looks like this.
Ooh, that's cool.
Band position,
Band position.
right over left,
Lift.
point,
Point.
and bow. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the first episode of Teaching Julia to Irish Dance. We will see you next time.
Stay tuned
Bye.
and subscribe for more.
It's no secret I never liked you, especially after you tried to have me kidnapped.
Allegedly.